Hey everybody, welcome to Go for Green Living Homestead. My name is Daniel. And I have some exciting news today. I came up with my own airlift pump for this single barrel aquaponic system. I'm going to do an event coming up here soon, and I'm going to be giving away a bunch of plants, a bunch of mint plants, a bunch of sweet potato plants, a bunch of bananas, horsetail, aloe, all kinds of plants that I need, that are just going to die out in the bigger greenhouse. Some sunchokes and all this stuff. I'm going to be giving away to my subscribers at this event coming up where I'm going to be speaking and teaching about aquaponics. So I'm pretty excited about that. So I needed this barrel, the single barrel, running. So I had some stuff laying around, and y'all know me, I'm going to come up with something. Probably would have helped if I would have watched a couple of videos on it, because I tried several things. I tried, first of all, using 2-inch pipe, to go the full distance, and that didn't work. And then I tried 2-inch pipe to 1/2-inch pipe, and that worked, but not very well. Finally I went from 2-inch pipe as my air chamber, and then went to 3/4-inch pipe, and then to 1/2-inch pipe, and it works really well. It shoves a lot of water out of there, and it does a pretty efficient job. Of course, I had plenty of these fittings laying around. They're 2-inch to 3/4-inch fittings. I use them in the barrel application, the plastic PVC barrels for my aquaponic system. So I use these all the time. I got plenty of these laying around. I find sometimes when I go and try to learn how to do something, like by watching somebody else's video, that it calls for parts that I don't have. So I just like to try to figure it out myself. So, but anyway, it works really well, and you can see how well it's working now, and how well it's shooting out the water, and how efficient it is. It off right at the moment because it makes a lot of noise, and y'all wouldn't be able to hear me over it, but it just kind of like, so I'm pretty excited on how well it works. And it's a really cheap pump because it's only just an aquarium air pump that's running it, and some little cheap, I think I got like 4 for 99 cents air stones, and the hose was only $1.39. So it was really cheap for me to get this pump to going, and the PVC parts, I imagine I don't have $5 in that. So I'm pretty excited about how well this is working. So I have a new airlift, and I just kind of played with it till it worked well. So you know me, I gotta plant it. So I planted it. I went to the co-op. Co-op, if you don't know what that is, it's a cooperative of all the farms around there. They buy your produce first and sell it first before they bring in other produce, and it just helps the farmers and the general people around here. So, but I went down there, and they had a bunch of plants that were not in too great a shape, and I asked them about them, and they told me, go ahead, take them. So there you go. I took them plants and I brought them back to life. I just watered them a little bit, and took care of them, just to baby them a little bit, because that's what you need to do with the plants. And I brought them back to life, and I'm going to put them in the aquaponic system. There's broccoli, there's cabbage, there's Swiss chard, there's cauliflower, there's crinkle kale, all kinds of stuff that I got from there. Just helped me out a great deal. And so anyway, I put these plants in there, and when I go to this event in a few weeks, then they'll be nice and big by then, so they'll be growing good. Of course, I have a tilapia in there right now. It's a big male tilapia. He's kind of aggressive right now, and the females are like, it's chilly, I don't want to really breed right now. So I took him out and just letting the females exist and letting him living his own thing. Of course, I probably won't take him to the event because it'd be chilly, but I'll probably bring some goldfish in his place and then give them away also, you know, just to keep the system running. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Did y'all like my greenhouse? It's such a green, lush garden. I got my citrus, I got some tomatoes, I got my bananas that are growing like crazy. You know, I got these giant aloes that, you know, I'm going to harvest some aloe juice pretty soon and get some healthy aloe juice going. And these sweet potatoes are blooming and they're going to be on display there. And, you know, of course, I'm going to be giving away a bunch of the plants. So, you know, all you got to be is just a subscriber to me and you can get all this free. That includes Orinoco bananas. Yep, I'm going to be giving away as many as I have out in the greenhouse. I'm going to put some more in here. I'm going to squeeze, pack them, stack them and pack them in here. Of course, I'm extending this greenhouse. It'll be twice as big as this. Probably by the next time that I do a video on the greenhouse. But I appreciate y'all. I really do. I appreciate you watching my videos. I appreciate your support. I have a couple of loyal supporters. Thank you so much. You stuck with me through all the bad. You know, I had rough times for a year or so, but I came out of it and I'm okay. Alright guys, I love you and I'll catch you on the next video. Oni Ove Ocha. Means I love you in Hebrew. Later guys.